For this, you need two bands and a piece of cloth. Once you have your bands and your piece of cloth, you just fold your fabric just like this, like so, and then you fold one end and fold the other end, just like the size you want it to be on your face. You take your rubber band and then fold one end like secure, like you're doing like a lollipop or a sweet. Yeah, just make it look like that. Next, you fold it into the piece of cloth, like into it, just how I'm doing it, like just fold it into it, fold it into, like underneath it. Yeah, because we're not sewing, so we have to make sure it's like pretty secure. Yeah, just like this, like so. Yeah, I'm like imitating Tabitha a little bit in here. All right, now that you have it secure, this is basically it. That's it. It's like 2 minutes and you're done. See, I try to even blow like the blowing test and see if it works.